Welcome to my class. In this particular class, we will talk about different types of network. We can divide all types of networks into three parts. The first one on the basis of geography. The second one on the basis of topology. The third one is on the basis of services rendered. On the basis of topology, let's first try to understand the meaning of network topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which computers, that is nodes in a network, are linked together. Student, please note that any device connected to network is termed as node. Whether a computer is connected to the network or a printer is connected to the network, it will be termed as node. So the term network topology refers to the way in which the computers or nodes in a network are linked together. In simple words, the pattern in which computers are connected to each other is termed as topology. This pattern can be in the shape of straight line or a ring shape or star shape and so on. In other words, the structure or layout of the cabling in connecting the devices to form a network is called topology. The way we have laid down cables to connect devices is termed as topology. On the basis of topology, we can divide networks into 6 parts. The first one is bus topology. Second one, star topology. The third one, ring topology. The fourth one, mesh topology. The fifth one, tree topology. And the last one is hybrid topology. We will talk about all these topologies one by one. Among the types of network and on the basis of topology, today we are going to talk about mesh topology in this particular video. Mesh networking structure or mesh topology. It means one and the same thing. The structure. In mesh topology, some of the computers are connected to more than one computer in the network with a point-to-point link. It may be fully connected or connected with only partial links. In this particular case, you will see that there are a number of computers and they are connected to each and every one. So this is a case of fully connected mesh network. Fully interconnected mesh topology. In a fully interconnected topology, each node is connected by a dedicated point-to-point link to every node. Therefore, the information flow is direct. So if there are a number of computers, they all can talk to each other directly. Now in this second example, you will find that this is a case of partially interconnected mesh topology. Not all computers are connected to each other, but some of them are connected to each other, but mostly computers are connected with alternative paths. But this is not fully connected mesh topology. It's a partial interconnected mesh topology. Functioning. In a partially interconnected topology, each node is not connected by a dedicated point-to-point link to every node. Here the nodes are widely scattered and all nodes may not be connected directly to each other, but still there is a mesh. Therefore, the information flow is not direct with every node on the network. Some of the advantages and disadvantages of the mesh topology, they are discussed below. Advantages. The network reliability is very high since there exists an alternate path if the direct link between the two computers gets disrupted. And the disadvantage is that fully connected networks are very expensive to install and maintain. Second advantage is that it is useful for critical applications. Where we cannot afford to have delays, then this particular topology is very good. But the disadvantage is that this network is not suitable for all types of organizations. It means only those organizations in which we cannot afford to have delays, then this topology can work very well. There is no data traffic issues as there is a dedicated link between two devices, which means the link is only available for those two devices. It means data transmission will be very fast. But at the same time, one of the disadvantages is that amount of wires required to connect each system is very tedious. Advantage: mesh topology is secure because there is a point-to-point link, thus unauthorized access is in general not possible. But at the same time, one of the disadvantages is that this topology faces scalability issue because a device cannot be connected with large number of devices with dedicated point-to-point link. Another advantage of mesh topology is that fault detection is easy because one particular dedicated path is in between two devices. Thank you very much.